Hello, I'm Becky Bailey, the creator of Conscious Discipline, and I'd like to invite you to two amazing workshops for administrators, Building Your Base and Leadership Reset. Every administrator is dealing with enormous amount of pressure because you are the change creator, the change agent, and accountable for the change. You got to be exhausted with the staffing issues, the resistance, all the trauma that may bubble up. We can't be therapists as administrators, but we're dealing with the constant challenges of leading people. And when challenges build within the school, within the district, within your life, we tend to try to force change. And forcing change is the number one way to burn yourself out and your staff out. How do we inspire change in another human, especially one that's resistant or burn out themselves? Inspiration starts with creating that wellness within yourself and extending it out to others. Conscious discipline infuses wellness, mental health through how we discipline, guide, and create change in schools. Join us in these two workshops. Learn the strategies, the skills, the understanding that help you become the leader that you want to be and get back to that core of well-being for all. Until I see you there, I wish you well.